The puppy.
Get out of the picture here.
Get out of your way.
She's the one you have to convince. He wants.
Does he?
But she says no.
Now's the time to look at them. They're so cute.
Now they get big like that one.
During the night, Wayne opened it and then she had
That's why we
Where did
had
she
to
get
leave
them?
the house.
She had them back in that like junk pile thing.
Wouldn't have been so good in the rain, huh?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, no, she said no. Like, I never had him like this before.
But you gotta hold him, he'll be a little more careful so he doesn't fall.
What are you holding?
Look at the baby puppy.
There he is. Ooh, he's getting kind of wiggly.
No. Too wet.
I said, Coach, make you run. You're a run distance.
Yeah.
Megan left. I said, Megan's a little.
They are making noise. Here they come. Here they come.
We're chasing them.
Yeah.
He's gonna do try wee wee wee.
She doesn't have a lot of attention.
Don't get too close.
Oh.
He's gonna poop a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Is
Don't
it?
hold them now.
Boots on scouring. That's what happened.
Mika's scared of them.
You're scared of the pig.
What a baby.
Go, dog.
It's a baby pig.
Yeah, what did the beagle do with the pig? They're not quite sure.